English together.
Calling a friend.
Hello?
Hi, Jane. It's Sarah. How are you?
Oh, hi, Sarah. I'm so happy to hear your voice. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine too. I just wanted to call and see how you're doing in London.
That's so nice. London is big and busy. There are so many people and cars everywhere.
Wow. Do you like living there?
Yes, I like it, but it's very different from home. Everything is fast, and I sometimes get lost.
Oh, no. But you'll learn your way soon. How is your new school?
It's good. My teachers are kind, and I made some new friends. We studied together in the library.
That's great to hear. What do you study again?
English and art. I love my art class. We paint and draw every week.
That sounds fun. I wish I could join your class.
You can come visit me one day. We can go to the museum or have coffee at my favorite cafe.
I'd love that. I miss you, Jane.
I miss you too, Sarah. Let's talk again soon.
Yes, for sure. Take care, my friend.
You too. Bye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.